Hey everyone, Trevor and Catie Bird here from Durango Harley-Davidson with your May updates. Cannot believe it is already riding season, and we are so excited and pumped, and we have a schedule full of amazing things going on this month to get you ready for the season and get you out riding. So let's start off with our May specials. In our motor clothes department, we will be having 15% off all leathers. So it's a great opportunity to come in here and get a good deal on some leathers to get you ready to get on the road. In sales, we have an awesome opportunity. If you come in and purchase a 23 or a 24 model Harley-Davidson motorcycle during the month of May, you will win a GoPro camera. So great incentive to come in and check out what we got on the floor. Let's see, and then parts, we are offering 20% off all in-stock audio and communication devices. And in addition, in service, you'll also get 20% off installation of those products if you come in and buy during the month of May.
No doubt. And as far as events, we're kicking off May right. On Saturday, May 4th, we partnered with James Cole over at Cole's Chop Shop. And we're getting the community together to help our buddy Jim Meyers. Jim is a firefighter who had a tree fall on his head, had some really serious injuries. Him and his wife Erin are doing a great job. The recovery is going amazing. But we're going to get together May 4th. Registration starts at 9 a.m., kickstands up at 10 a.m. We're going to be doing a ride out to Vallecito, and then we're coming back here to the dealership, and from noon to 2, we're going to have live music. We're going to have some auctions, 50-50, and a lot of other fun things to help raise some money for Jim and Erin as they're going through this difficult time. And then May 10th through the 18th, Harley-Davidson is kicking off their National Test Ride Days. A free test ride gets you a t-shirt and some other goodies. There's also a great sweepstakes to get entered in for some other amazing prizes from Harley-Davidson. So that's May 10th through the 18th, the National Test Ride Days. And then one of our favorite events of the year, May 11th, is the Ladies Intro to Motorcycling. So all the women in the dealership and our hog chapter and even our customers, they come together. They share stories about what riding's done in their lives. They go back to service. They teach the ladies how to pick up a bike if it gets dropped. We have our Jump Start. You can get on a motorcycle. You can kick it into gear and ride it without worrying about the bike going anywhere or falling over. And it's just an opportunity for women that maybe have always been interested in motorcycling but never really know where to start. It's just a great opportunity to get together with other like-minded women and learn about motorcycling. And then also Thursday night rides are still going on. So Thursday nights at 5:30 we're getting together. We had about 20 people last week on the ride, and love seeing as the weather keeps getting better, more and more riders coming out and joining us. And then one last thing on that May memories, don't forget, buy a new Harley-Davidson motorcycle from Durango Harley-Davidson in the month of May and capture all of those memories on the free GoPro camera that we're going to give you with the purchase of that new motorcycle. So lots of great reasons to come and see the most award-winning dealership in the Four Corners, Durango Harley-Davidson, this May.